Did you drop it? Oopsie doodle. Oh my god. Scotty's waiting for lunch at this point.
Yes. Well, I've been here since 7.
I know. Well, 7:05. I saw what time you clocked.
All right, start pumping, bitch. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I want to make sure everybody sees it going into a black hole.
Don't be all getting excited with me pumping behind you.
Woohoo!
Oh my god, he's pushing back. Knock it off.
Oh, yeah.
You, Anyway.
Oh, wait.
You gotta line it up. Ready?
Go ahead.
Pump, pump, pump.
Come on.
I'm pumping.
Give it some ass, bitch. Give it some ass. Come on. 1 more. 2 more. 3 more. Okay, I think it's catching on the socket. We can't have that. It's got to go in just a little bit more.
Bloop. See? Ooh.
Come on, Scotty. Move it first. There we go.
Looking good.
Okay, so now we're good. We're good.
We just need some more.
It just got to go down a little bit more.
So we need some
So
more
maybe a little
distance.
more centering.
We need more stuff.
No, it needs to be centered.
Okay, we'll hold it. Ready?
Go ahead. Pump it up. Pump it up. Deeper. Put it in the hole. Come on. You can do it. And wait. Slow. Just a smidgen more.
You want it nice and sensual?
1 or 2 hairs. And good.
What?
And for those of you watching, we are what are known as crazy.
Just a little bit. Let me see. May I see your bushing?
And it's pre-lubed
Ooh, your rubber's in.
for
Nice.
its pleasure. I mean,
All right, now you can pop that out.
yeah, this is the fun one.
I'm sure it is.
Well, maybe, just maybe. Oh, no, we gotta do it first this way. Gotta follow protocol.
Protocol?
Protocol.
C-3PO was a protocol droid.
Well, this is true. These are not the droids you're looking for, bitch. Get in the hole. Oh, I gotta move that. Hold on. We gotta center it. This one's a little bit different. Okay, that goes there.
You ready?
About as ready as I'll
Let
ever
me
be.
zoom it in a little bit
Go ahead.
so the stroking action is more centered. It's moving.
It's moving. All right, and up we go. Pause.
Ever. Still needs more. Ding, fries are done. Little cup. Is that your cup runneth over?
Yes. Oh, my cup runneth over. I mean, yes. It's designed to put it in a hole.
All right. We're gonna airdrop these and it's gonna like kill our phones because it's such a big file. But it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Big
fine.
video. Big video. Fine. We like big video.
Pumpy. Come on. You can do it. Pumpy, bitch.
Ready?
Oh, wait. Go back up.
You slipped a
It's
little.
off-centered again. Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
About as ready as I'll ever be for having a black thing shut. Back up again. Okay. It's because we're on more rubber than anything.
Oh, no,
Did you just hit me on the top of my head with your big stick?
Maybe. Sorry, I was just happy to see you. God.
Nope, we're not catching that. We're not catching that.
Ready to go release it?
Yeah, let's get it up again.
Ooh, we gotta rub it a little bit to get it up again. So we need to get on that metal right there.
Yeah, well, that's the issue.
You're an issue.
Shh. Giving up my secrets.
You have issues.
It took you how long to figure that out?
20 minutes. All right.
This is the issue because we don't have all the tools for this. Because this is not something we do on a daily basis.
No, we really don't. We usually farm out most press work. But everybody's really busy.
You know what? Let's try that.
It's not going to work because you got to push the metal piece in.
Well, if we can push the metal piece in.
Ready?
Just a little bit more. Go ahead. Okay, and stop. Go back up. Not much. Stop.
Stop. And wait a minute and stop. Ready? There you go.
Go back down. Just a little bit, and I mean just a little bit.
You're fucking bossy.
Just a little bit.
Don't rub your shoulder against my balls again. That was weird.
But did you like it, though? That's what's most important. If you liked it, then I can do it again.
It was slightly arousing.
Okay, well, you know,
At
hey.
least my balls are getting touched, but it's good.
And keep going. Shove it in the hole. Shove it in the hole. Come on. Put it in there. All the way in. All the way in, Daddy. Yep. Punch it in that hole. Punch it in there. Oh! Take it like a man. Ah! And the bitch popped. Go figure.
Was it good for you? It was good for me.
It was fabulous.
Oh my god.
Don't ask me where that came from, because I have no clue.
Okay, so.
There's my other bush.
Anywho,
Give the knees a break.
yeah, you've been on them a while.
I know, right?
You got rug burn?
No, surprisingly enough, no rug burn.
You
But one knee is a little dirty.
dirty knees. Look at these.
Dirty knees, thunder cheek.
What? All right, so we're gonna stick it in.
Stick it in. Oh, no, that's plug it in.
That's a similar.
Well, same thing, same concept.
Similar concept.
So we'll lube the hole, lube this, like we did the other one.
Look at that. That's nice. That's it's moderate. It makes me moderately uncomfortable when you make that sound.
I know, but hey, life does go on. So let's get our measurement from the other control arm that we did already.
All right, and we'll come with a new clip.